Hello and welcome to Glittershinenails. I recently purchased the Dreamcatcher set of stamping plates from Nicole Diary. So in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing Dreamcatcher ND-004 and Dreamcatcher ND-005. As always, you can find where I purchased them from in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification turned on. And please also like this video. These really do help out my channel, thank you. I have my Nail Artisan Tiffany Duo Clear Stamper along with my scraper. I also have 6 coloured nail tips which I'll be swatching onto. I'll be taking 3 swatches from both plates. And I'm going to begin with ND-004. And I'm going to start with using a blue nail tip and I'm going to use a dark blue stamping polish. Any excess that I do pick up, I will remove first before I stamp down, and I use my lint roller to do this. Now I did place this down a little on the wonky side though, but it looks good though. For the second swatch I'll be using a coral nail tip along with a burgundy stamping polish. Now you may have noticed that I've got some different tips that I'm currently using. Would you like to see some different nail shapes with these types of swatches? Let me know. This is a beautiful image though. I almost used it in the mani. Definitely next time though. For the third swatch I'm going to use a light green nail tip along with a dark green stamping polish. I did wonder if some of them smaller designs like that tiny butterfly would actually fit inside these circular images. But you could also add some colour to the flowers, that would really make them look pretty. I'm not so sure about these two colours working together though. Moving on to ND-005, I have a nude nail tip along with a dark brown stamping polish. Now I am going to turn the plate for this design so that I can scrape down the image. This is just how I like to work with images like this. I find I get a better scrape on the image. Now I am still getting used to my filming stand. I've recently purchased a new one, so the video might not be its usual, so just bear with me while I'm getting used to it. For the next swatch I'm going to use an orange nail tip along with a red stamping polish. Now for me this swatch did come out really well, however my choice of colours was an epic fail. I should have used the burgundy or a brown, as you can hardly see the design, but I did use this image in my mani as well. For the next swatch I'm going to use a light purple nail tip along with a dark purple stamping polish. Now this design I would just love to fill in with colour. I think that it would look amazing. I would also like to see what this is like shrinked, as I know that not everybody has long nails and this would be a fantastic image to try it on. And then here they are all together. So let's move on to the photo swatches and manis that I've created from these two Nicole Diary Dreamcatcher stamping plates. Dreamcatcher ND-004 is full of beautiful designs. I've taken 24 swatches from across the plate, so hopefully this will show you what this stunning plate has to offer. There is so much detail in all of the images, but I really like the mix of sizes, from the small flowers to the feathers to the large moon, feather and circular designs. Now if you missed the first 3 of these Dreamcatcher stamping plates, you can find that video in my Nicole Diary playlist here on my channel. All of these 5 plates will work so well together. This is definitely a set that I love. I have quite a few Dreamcatcher designs on plates, but I have nothing like this set. ND-004 was really easy to work with, and these are some really nice, good quality stamping plates. I paid just over £6 for the 5 stamping plate set, so this is super purse friendly as well. But also any stamping ability could probably make these work. With the other Nicole Diary stamping plates, I have found that they have been finely engraved, but I didn't have this issue with this plate. If you love dream catchers or feather designs, You'll love this one. I definitely want to make a mani using all of them. For the mani, I had a purple nail polish just arrived and I thought it would work really well. I also used my favourite dark purple stamping polish. The index finger and ring finger are the same image, but it's just turned around on the stamper. And I love how they look. All of the other nails have a different image on, and I really do like how this has turned out. It's what I call a me mani. ND-005 is another beautiful plate filled with amazing designs. Again, I've taken 24 swatches and I've only used the Tiffany Duo stamper for these swatches as they are all mainly large designs. From the two large Dreamcatchers I've taken 2 swatches and the large design in the middle I've taken 4 swatches. I think this has to be my favourite plate out of the 5 of them, and that's just probably down to the large Dreamcatchers and the butterfly. Again, this was a super easy plate to work with. When I saw these plates, I just knew that they had to be in my collection. I'll definitely be returning to all of them. It's a really great collection. These images will look great added to any mani. You could add them to a floral mani, a patterned one, even a glitter mani. They will all add something really extra to the design. I also have the Nicole Diary tattoo collection, the tropical collection and the festival collection en route to me, and I'm very excited about them all. Nicole Diary are really releasing some amazing sets right now, so make sure that you're subscribed as these 3 sets will be coming to my channel very soon. As we're starting to leave summer and heading into autumn, fall, all of these images will look amazing on autumnal colour bases like browns, burgundies, reds, golds and oranges. I love how all of these swatches look. Again, the amount of detail that is across this plate is stunning, and all of the details stamped perfectly, which I was super happy about. For the mani, I had a khaki green nail polish just arrive and I thought it would work well. I've also used a dark green stamping polish. Now, as I don't own a colour like this, I did wonder if this whole mani would work or not, and I actually think it does. My thumb stamping didn't transfer as well as I'd hoped. It was a warm day and I was quite warm when I did this, but I really do quite like how this has turned out. It's an unusual colour choice for me. All of the swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the manis and what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on these 2 Nicole Diary Dreamcatcher stamping plates. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.